Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your go-to channel for everyday tech and practical home solutions. Today, we're reviewing a compact powerhouse that could completely change how you handle laundry in small spaces, the CTT 3.5 CU Foot Clothes Dryer, a 1500W electric dryer that runs on standard 110V and is perfect for apartments, dorms, and compact homes. Let's break down why this is such a standout. Despite its small footprint, this dryer handles up to 13.2 pounds of laundry. That's a full load of towels, a week's worth of clothes, or even your bedding. It's designed with a durable stainless steel drum that resists rust, rotates quietly, and gently tumbles clothes for even, wrinkle-free drying. This CTT dryer offers 4 automatic drying modes, including Powerful Mode, Eco Mode, Intelligent, and Air Dry. Whether you're working with heavy jeans or delicate fabrics, the smart heat management ensures efficiency and safety. There's even a cool-down feature to reduce wrinkles at the end of the cycle. At just 110 volts, this unit is plug-and-play ready for any standard home outlet, no need for special wiring. That makes it ideal for renters or anyone in a space where full-size dryers aren't an option. It's also surprisingly quiet, so you can run it without disturbing the rest of your living area. Now let's talk design. The crisp white finish and compact dimensions make it easy to place on a countertop, tuck under a shelf, or stack above a washer. Plus, the intuitive LED control panel is simple to use, with cycle indicators and one-touch operation. Whether you're looking to free up trips to the laundromat, save space in your apartment, or just add backup drying power to your home, the CTT 3.5 CU Foot Clothes Dryer delivers serious performance in a compact, efficient form. Hit the Amazon link in the description to check pricing and availability, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more smart home tech and lifestyle upgrades every day, right here on Gadgetverse.